Today I'm going to show you guys how to get an older RZR wheel to fit a newer RZR. I have a 900 and here's the steel wheels off of it. If you have wheels like this, you want to do the second step that we're about to do in this video. But first thing you need to do is get a drill bit and drill it out so it'll fit your studs, which all that'll be in the description below what I used. And after you do that, I got this milling bit from a local hardware store, and I just went around and milled the outside because you have to be able to fit a wrench in there. After you get it milled out, I have a 19mm socket that I use on the trail. As you can see, it don't fit in the stock hole. It fits in this one where I can tighten the lug nut. It has to be that way. And now I got 3 more to do, but that's basically all you do.